Hi guys, we're having a fire too right now in our, what is it called, Dad?
We almost got rained out.
Oh yeah, we almost did get rained out.
Now you're hiding in the canopy.
Yep, I am. Hiding in the canopy. There was a light up there, but not anymore because we put it out. Because I wanted to see the thunder and the lightning. There's a little bit up there.
You can't see the thunder. You see the lightning.
Oh yeah, we can't see the thunder. Hi guys. So, oh wait, you can't see it, but the sky is lighting up really bad right now. There's a little bit of thunder right now, and the sky is lighting up like really, really bad. I can't, it's very bright out. I can barely even see. Guys, so that's why my flash on. Guys, you seen that, guys? There's just some. See? Do you see that, guys? That was it. That was some right there. Wait, there's gonna be fun there. It's like there was no fun there. Yep, there was fun there. You guys probably can't hear it, but there was one. Some after it. Listen. Guys, listen. It's getting darker and darker as it goes by. Here's the fire again. It's awfully close. Thing really. Just some bottles up there and that's it so far. And there's the roof of the canopy. There's the light that I was talking about. There's a screwdriver. You want to see this? I found this at my school. It's a